Today is a new day. As you see, we have a different start of the day. It starts in a car. The reason is because we're gonna be picking up the package, which is quite huge and not comfortable to transport with a motorcycle, which is obvious reason. And we are taking our little doggies to the dog park, right? And we are washing car as well. At the moment, actually, he is washing car because the car has been sitting in the garage for a long time, and we have used it once in a while, but you know, like, haven't really like gotten into. Yeah, but today is just like outside wash, nothing like too spectacular. So yeah, let's see how he does. He was changing coins for the car wash. He ordered some Burger King, which I'm gonna go and get it. The Burger King prices has gone so high up, like in the past month. Oh my god, I cannot get hang of this mask. Oh. Are you done?
Oh. The car needs a proper wash anyway. Maybe just a little bit. Sprinkle it.
Okay.
Last one.
Hello. Hello. Okay. Oh. I would just like want to do this to him so badly.
Yeah, I miss the road to this, to the mountains. But the speed bump still destroyed it.
He's doing the big. I cannot really wait to test it out. I want to see the difference. And the 2 batteries for GoPro. Oh, and the navigation, which is going to be the huge step up for our journey, because navigation, I think, in Africa would be a really important part. Ooh. This looks sneaky. Almost forgot the main part. Can you guess what it is? We cannot wait to use it, but at the moment we cannot really test it out just because we don't have a charger. So we are just waiting for the charger to arrive. It supposedly should be here in about like 3 days, if I'm not mistaken. And hopefully we're gonna be able to use it in our next episode. And there's these stickers. That's it. The box is empty. Thank you so much for your gifts. We're gonna put them in a great queue all through the videos, at least part of it. We need to get them charged up and we need to test them out.
Time to get home. Okay.